Let's see. What would be the ratio?
You have to give me. No, you have to give me a 10-second timer.
Sure. I can.
Timer.
Did you on it?
I haven't started it yet. Tell me the question, and then when you say go, I'll press it. Okay?
Okay. What is the ratio between the number of days and the number of months in a year? Number of days in a year and number of months in a year.
Okay, so tell me when to go.
Go.
7 ratio 12. 7 ratio 12.
That's right. Then what would be the ratio between Tuesdays and Wednesdays in a week?
In 1 week?
Yeah.
There's only one Tuesday and one Wednesday in the entire week. So 1 over 1.
Very good. That's good. Then maybe what's the ratio between Sun and the number of planets?
The sun
And the number of planets.
Okay, ready?
Yeah.
The answer to your question is, according to my calculations, it has to be 1 over 8.